Hey guys, so I'm back with another tutorial featuring the main choice, and my collection of choice for today is the 4-leaf clover collection. So I'm going to be doing some mini twists, and I chose this collection because it's extremely moisturizing and it makes my hair really manageable. And with mini twists, you're going to probably put your hair away for a while, so you definitely want to use a collection that is going to keep your hair healthy during that time. So mini twists are really easy. Basically, you're just going to choose a styling cream and twist your hair just smaller than you normally would. I am going to add a little bit of crochet hair to a couple of pieces in the front because my hair is kind of thin there. But other than that, basically just, twist your hair as you normally would. Just make smaller sections. I think I ended up with about 65 to 70 twists, and I kept this style in for 2 months. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.